Let's face it, times have changed in a big way. Your team needs tools that help balance work and life from anywhere, and your business needs a best-in-class platform that centralizes and enables innovation, all in pursuit of a goal that hasn't changed: creating amazing products for your customers. But is your product development process set up to meet the demands of a new reality? 3DEXPERIENCE Works provides the tools your business needs to modernize your product development workflow. Any digital transformation has to be centered around the cloud. 3DEXPERIENCE is a cloud-based platform that's ready to use with minimal configuration and can be accessed on any device, ensuring your team is productive right away. No servers to buy or IT to manage, just a secure single source of truth for managing design data, tasks, communication, and changes. But what about access to information? Should you really need to call a meeting for status updates? With a 3DEXPERIENCE platform, anyone in the company with the right permissions can easily search, find, and consume product data. When additional information is needed, users can be @mentioned right on the model or engaged directly with integrated chat and screen sharing. Whether it's the next big idea or a challenge from the field that needs to be addressed, having a formal way for anyone in the company to capture feedback is crucial. Issues are a powerful tool for capturing, prioritizing, and processing incoming requests. But let's face it, not every idea is a good one, and not every request for change is actionable. But for those that are, issues can be seamlessly transitioned to a change action. With fast deployment, powerful tools, and the flexibility you expect from the cloud, 3DEXPERIENCE Works is the key to modernizing your product development process.